How to message on LinkedIn without premium. Hello and welcome to our channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to message on LinkedIn without premium. So do watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch any browser on your device and go to the official site of LinkedIn by clicking search bar and type in linkedin.com. Sign into your account, and on the home page, you can easily click the search bar at top left corner and type in the user whom you want to message on LinkedIn without premium. So let's search for any user, and after you get the profile, you can open the profile, and here is the message box. Click on it. Now certainly a menu appears that says you have to try premium for $0 in order to message this user on LinkedIn. So I'll show you the ultimate way in order to message this user on LinkedIn without premium. So first of all, you need to know that if you are in a common group with this person, you'll be able to message within that group. All you need to do is go into that group, search this username, and then you will get the chance to message this user from the help of that particular group. So, this is the only ultimate way in order to message someone on LinkedIn without premium. So, I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching.